Alright, gotta focus on this this wooden chest here. I see it looks pretty good here. That's the bottom of the box. It's, the bottom fell out. It's an old box, but it's plywood. Because look at all the layers of, well, forget the box. This is all the shit that fell out of it. All these old hammers fell out of that box. All these old hammers fell out of that box. A couple hatchets. And then about the biggest pair of scissors I've ever seen in my life. I mean, that is a big ass fucking pair of scissors. And then, oh, heavy pipe wrench. Another heavy pipe wrench. Another heavy pipe wrench. These gotta be from like the 1900s. These pipe wrenches gotta be older than old. And look at that one. That's a different design than that one. See, that one has the ratchet design right there. This one has a screw design. And that little, oh my God. Son of a gun. Isn't that something? Yeah.